way back when, but I don't know how. You sacrificed my sacred cow. That was then, but this is now. If life's but a stage, and take a bow. But when you come down, won't you look in my eyes and tell me, is it no surprise? When you come down, won't you look in my face and tell me, is there still a trace of disgrace? Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. At last, the podcast. We're here at last.
Oh, that was beautiful, sweetie.
Big what?
Do you have any idea how cute guitar players are?
Get out of here.
Be still, my beating heart. Nah. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and over here on the guitar, the ruggedly handsome.
Oh, cut it out, will you?
Please welcome the star of the show.
Making me blush.
Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, baby.
Hey, thank you very much. You hear that, fellas? The Gitoji gun, the guitar. It's that the ladies they cannot deny. They cannot resist the guitar player. Nah. So yeah, welcome back to the show. You know, if you're new to the show, my name is Nana BOOZHOO, and this is the lovely and the talented Natasha, and we like to teach Ojibwe language and culture words. And today's Ojibwe word of the day, I was thinking, Nibwakawin.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, Nibwakawin, wisdom. And now, kids, this is different than being smart. It's actually more important than being smart. You know, some people are like, oh, wow, I'm so smart. I'm so educated. I got an education. Quiz me. Ask me any question about Abraham Lincoln and I can tell you everything because I'm educated. That makes me smart. Well, that doesn't matter. It don't matter what you know or what you think you know. But if you have Nibwakawin, if you have wisdom, then you know how to live. And you know how to be happy. And you know the right ways to, get around in life. You don't create more problems. Nibwakawin, wisdom. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. All right, sweetie, you want to take us out?
Oh, sure. Well, hey, everybody. If you'd like to order some Nana BOOZHOO merchandise, like T-shirts and that, you know what they got? What do they got? They got little Hoa T-shirts for babies. It's so cute. I couldn't believe it. What was I talking about? Oh, yeah, you can order stuff online from Teespring. Click the link. And we also have a Patreon page and a PayPal page if you want to support us with some Junia, some money. And Michael Lyons has Ojibwe language books for sale on Amazon.com. So click the link if you'd like to order some Ojibwe language children's books. All right, back to you. BOOZHOO.
Oh, all right. You want to send us out?
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta go. We gotta hit the road. We gotta march on. So I'm gonna say thank you for watching. Miigwech, Kanawabiye, BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is not a BOOZHOO. Oh, wow. And I will see you again. Yigawabamin, Midawa. Oh, wow. BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, Neeman Wendom, Omanungu. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, wow. Thanks. Oh, you're fun.